My name is Devon. I live with my husband Jason and my daughter Louisa in Greensboro, North Carolina. After I entered the 50K home makeover contest, I never imagined that we would be selected as the winners. Right after I hung up the phone, after I found out that I won, I definitely did a little car dance and immediately called my husband. Champion was really wonderful in helping us make our decision. They sat down with us and actually showed us all of the products that were available, the different customizable options, and how their products were superior to their competitors. I love my new Champion windows. They let in so much more light, control the temperature, so much better than our old windows did. We love our new doors. We believe that our new front door has added a lot of curb appeal to our house. Our new French doors are my favorite part of the home makeover. They're bright, they're beautiful. Replacing our doors and windows has significantly increased the value of our house. The installation process was quick and painless. From the time we ordered the products to the last day of installation, we were very impressed by the speed and accuracy of the Champion team. Every time I see our new doors and windows, I feel very grateful to Champion, and I just feel a lot more comfortable in my own home. For someone who has never experienced Champion, they have something for everyone. You can trust their team and their project managers to be professional and knowledgeable, and you will love their products. If you don't think it's worth your time to enter the Champion 50K home makeover, I would say that if it can happen to me, it can happen to you. You have nothing to lose. I would definitely recommend Champion to my friends and family.